look, I got a worm. Oh, this one's small. Hello friends, I bet you wonder what I've been doing with my day today. I've been having a rather good day. I have weeded quiet corn, have the sprinklers going. We harvested our potatoes. Didn't get very many. Well, no, not very many. All 3 containers because I am not harvesting them like I'm supposed to. And I'm not planting them like I'm supposed to. So I want to, every 2 months, have a pot of potatoes ready to harvest. But that's not going so well. Friends, today what we're going to do is this. You remember the little container? We have stuff in here and I have not looked at it since forever. I see some brown. I've got some water. I've got some napkins. Even if they're not ready for anything, we're going to have to change the napkins on some of these. So let's see what we have. We have the yummy fruit seeds. Doesn't look like we have anything going there, but we're going to have to change that bag. I'll do that on my own. And then I have, what is this? Watermelon seeds, which never do good for us. And I'm probably going to have to change their bag. I have an avocado. We're going to have to change that bag. Let's just take a look and see what's going on inside here. Sorry, my hands are dirty. I don't even think I've got the date. Oh, I don't have the date on this one. Oh, we got cracking. So, yeah, we're almost ready. Almost ready. But we'll get new paper, just the same. And look at this. Here's that little tree again. It loves to germinate. Look at that. One is germinated. It looks like the leaves aren't so happy because they're wet. I'll try to put it in soil and see if it lives. Is that the only one? Yes, it looks like it's the only one that germinated. And then we have the ginger. Look at that. Ginger is ready for the ground. Yes. It's come through its paper towel. It's got roots all over. Yes. Ginger is ready. I don't think this little guy's going to be ready because it was outside the bag, which means it's probably young. Young and doesn't have a date on it. Let's see what we got. Cracking. We got cracking. So we'll put new paper on this one. So let's see, I need one that I'm going to put, maybe I'll put it in water because the last time I put it in soil, it just wasn't happy. I do see a little green. Maybe it'll revive. But I know one thing, I'm not going to just stick it out here. Uh-oh. Yeah, here we go. I got a leaf there that's going to look okay. And roots at the bottom. So we're going to put that back in the house. We're going to put it in soil, back in the house. This one, cracking avocado, is going back in a bag. This cracking avocado, I'm going to change the paper. It's going back in the bag. Yummy fruit, we're just going to change the bag. Change them. I don't think I got anything in there. Well, friends, the 2 avocados back in plastic, nice clean napkins. The little tree, I put it in some very wet soil. It's going to go back in the house. I'm going to put it over where the house plants are. That's not close to the window. They barely get sun over there. They seem to be happy, so yeah, I just leave them there. That we're gonna look at. the yummy fruit. I thought I had washed these off good, but they were a sticky mess to start out with, so I'm getting sticky mess here. I'm opening up this plastic here. No to the first one. Nothing for the second one. It's not doing anything. You know, I don't think that one's going to be a good one for me. So I've got some still in pots out here. Still haven't germinated. This might be something that I just can't grow. But I'm going to take my ginger and I'm going to put it back in the pot where it was last year. And, or where I had ginger last year. And we'll see how we do. I've got one more thing to talk to you about. And then it's going to be time for me to go. So let's go take a look at the amaryllis again. We had a question about that. A friend says or thought that I have more than 2 in one pot. But actually I have 2 pots. So let's go take a look and see what I've got going on there. Before we take a look, let's check out my friend's channel first. This is my friend's channel. She does cooking, shares family vacations. She does a lot of different things on this channel, friends. She recently made a very refreshing mango drink. And I know you'll love this channel if you go over and check it out. I'm going to put the information in the description box. So go check her out. Here we are. I have 1, 2, but this is one pot right here. It's just one pot. And then over here in this pot, it's a separate pot. There's brown, here's black. I've got 1, and there's 2. Yeah. So that's what I have going on here. I just love these. I just wish I could have them longer. Yeah, some of these babies don't last long. They give us a couple weeks of happiness, and then it's all you get. Well, friends, that's all I have for today. I'm going to go put my ginger in the pot and finish my watering, and that will be it for the day. So, friends, I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and yeah, I hope you're having a good day. So, I don't know how dirty my hands are. So, friends, it's time for me to say bye. So, bye-bye. Bye. Here we are, friends. I've washed all of the paper towel out. And there's piece number 1, piece number 2, piece number 3. I put a little fresh soil, and I'm going to give this a water. Bye-bye again.